Located 8 kilometers from O2 Arena, high-quality apartment for EXCEL O2 Canary Wharf offers accommodations with a balcony and free Wi-Fi. Accommodations are comprised of a living room, a kitchen with a dishwasher and an oven, and a private bathroom with bath and shower. Some units include a terrace and/or a patio with river or garden views. Guests can also relax in the garden. Greenwich Park is 9.7 kilometers from the apartment, while Greenwich is 9.7 kilometers from the property. London City Airport is 1.8 kilometers away. Newham is a great choice for travelers interested in entertainment, sightseeing and tourist attractions. Do you like an offer? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.